Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to put together a simple base page. Most of my albums are put together with this page style. So if the album kit that you have has one of these, this is the technique of how I do it. So I'm not going to be offering measurements specifically because all of my albums have different measurements. So I just want to show you how to make this simple page. So depending how many pages that are in your book or how many hinges will determine the number of larger pieces and the number of smaller pieces. You're going to start with the largest piece. You're going to take your scoring tool. Now you can use the bone folder, or I like to use the stylus. And I'm using the 2mm end. This particular one is by McGill. I believe these are discontinued. I don't think they make these anymore, but any stylus 2mm is perfect is what I use. So you're gonna put it horizontally across like this. You want to score 1/2 inch from each end, like this. And so I'm doing it this way now. I used to score 1/2 inch, rotate, and score 1/2 inch, but I started to realize paper trimmers are sometimes off by 1/16 of an inch, or it's handmade, it's hand cut. So if your paper is off by like a hair on this side, let's say it's slightly shorter, slightly longer, we want the center between the score lines is the measurement we want. So if you do a 1/2 here and then a 1/2 from here, then it's going to be a perfect measurement in between once it's folded. So that's why I don't do the rotate thing anymore. But anywho, that's just that. So, okay, so the scoring is done. So now I'm just going to add the tape. So I'm using the 3/8 inch score tape. Okay. And I'm just going to take it and place it in between the edge and the score line. And I'm going to do on both ends. And as you can see, I'm letting it hang over the edge slightly. That's because I want end-to-end coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and trim that off now. And there we go. So the next thing I want to do is make sure to burnish that tape down very well. I'm just using my bone folder to burnish, or you can use any kind of straightage. You can take your ruler. That works nice too. Okay, so now you're going to turn it over. Oh, and I did it on the texture side. I'm sorry. I scored on the texture side, and I put the tape on the texture side, just the side that you want showing. So you're going to fold this over, and you're going to burnish that fold. Burnish, it just means just to press it down here. Real good. So then I'm going to take the shorter piece. I want my texture side on the outside again, because now this is going to be my page. So I want texture, so I'm doing it smooth to smooth. Of course, if your paper is smooth on both sides, then don't worry about that. So what I like to do is I do not remove the tape backing just yet. I line up the 4 corners. Okay, so I want to make sure they're lined up. So I start with the 2, put it down, and I look, and if it's slightly off, I can move it till it's perfect where I like it. If yours looks a little off, just center it as best as possible so it's as perfect as it can be. So then you hold it down so it doesn't move. Lift this up, peel the tape, and then just lay it down. Keep it flat. Now, some people, they'll now line up corners and then do it again, and they end up with it bubbling. Don't do that. Keep it flat, and then just pull up the tape and lay it down. And that's it. Done. So now you have your simple base page. Now you can build on this. You can add pockets, flaps, any kind of interactive things depending on the album that you are working on. In my next video, I will be adding, I believe, a pocket, probably a pocket and a flap. We'll see. So, but yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you in creating your own projects or working on one of my kits. I will put a link to my shop below if you'd like to check out the kits that I have available. And please don't forget to click the thumbs up button on this video if you enjoyed watching today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here at Katie's World. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram where I post updates so you don't miss a thing. And thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day.